Hello there. This is Eastham Park here in Front Royal. It's a favorite place I come to take pictures. I don't know if we'll get anything or not. We're in between spring and winter, and so things are still kind of dead. They're trying to come alive. Let this traffic go by. You'll have to excuse the audio. All I've got for a microphone is what's on the camera. It's a windy day. This is a public place, so there's going to be noise in that way as well. We'll do the best we can. Alright, let's come along and see what we can find. The camera that I'm using is a Canon Rebel XT. It's an old camera in digital camera years. It has an 8 megapixel APS-C sensor, and I'm running a Minolta 135 millimeter Celtic 3.5 f3.5 lens on it. I find this is a good compromise here between depth of field, being able to reach out and get things far away, and then I can also use it sort of as a macro by coming in close. Alright, let's look around and see what we can find. Let's walk along a little bit. This is a trail. Basically, a lot of this place is, a lot of people come here to walk their dogs, to jog, to cycle, that kind of deal. But I mean, you can see, it's beautiful. Right alongside the river, the Shenandoah River. Just lovely. You can hear the birds, I think. I know I can. Just a beautiful, beautiful place. Got a little playground and all of that over there for people. It's small, but this is a small town. I mean, but that's the beauty of it for me, is I love my little town. If you look around in here, I don't know that I can show you, but you can see all of these trees. There are quite a few birds. And I'm shooting manual exposure because I'm shooting up into the trees. There's all kind of sunlight coming through, and if I try to let the camera choose to focus in the settings, what will happen is it will expose for the bright sky, and I won't be able to get clean pictures of the birds. They'll be washed out and just be black silhouettes. There's a little squirrel. I think I got some decent pictures of him. That ought to be fun. I don't know if you can see him or not. That squirrel right there. Trying to get a shot of him. I got a shot earlier. There's a railroad track that comes along through here. It goes along and shoots over across that underpass. We're going to walk along there, see if we can find something to shoot. love the Virginia countryside. There is nothing quite as beautiful except maybe Alabama, Tennessee. The difference is that Tennessee and Alabama's undergrowth, the growth at the very bottom, is much, much thicker. And you think about the Revolutionary War, and you don't fire till you see the whites of their eyes and all of that. And them old country boys could bury up in that undergrowth. Nobody'd ever know they was there until they walked right up on top of them. Just the beauty of this place. Very cool. Get a shot of this. What I want to do first. This mossy looking rock. A close-up, a macro shot sort of, with this long lens pulled way back. Blurring this background. Might be a lovely shot. We're gonna take it. That's pretty much it. I'm out of time. Hope you've enjoyed the video and the pictures. I had a wonderful time out here in the woods, in the park, just enjoying what's around me. Thanks for watching. Bless you. I'll talk to you later.